Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. To my old subscribers, I say thank you. For this time, as you can see, this my fabric is folded into four. I first of all fold this first one, the length, then I folded it just like you want to cut a fillet. Yes, that's exactly what I folded. Then I'm going to measure to get the length of my waist, of the waist I'm using. So I'm going to mark this, then measure. If it's not up to my waist, I'm going to mark more, then measure it. That's exactly how to mark your waist. For example, if your waist is 24 inches, you can start by marking maybe 3.5, then measure it when you are done. If it's up to, that's divided by 4, 24 divided by 4. If it's not up to, then you mark bigger one, bigger curve. If it's more than, you mark smaller curve till you get the exact number you are looking for, the way I'm measuring it. And that's all I did. Then from there, I'm going to measure the length. And remember that the length of this style, one will be shorter than one. Then I'm going to measure the shorter one until I got the desired length. Then the other one is just like that. It will just be like that, or you can measure it as well to get the desired length. Then I went ahead to cut another one of these because I wanted it to be double, and my fabric was not enough, so I'm going to join this, and that's what I did. I gave allowance of the joining and I cut it out. So I'm going to go ahead to cut my upper body. I decided to cut it together, so I'm going to fold this into, my fabric is folded into 4, and I marked my half length, which is 11 inches plus 1 inch allowance for joining. Then I marked my shoulder measurement, which is 12 inches divided by 2, 6, and that same 6 inches for the shoulder is what I'm going to mark down for my armhole depth, and that's what I'm marking. I'm marking now, extending the line. Then I'm going to go ahead to mark my bust measurement at the armhole line. My bust measurement is 25 inches divided by 4. Then I marked my waistline waist measurement as well, with my allowance, adding my allowance to the bust and also to the waist, and then I connected the line. Then for the shoulder slope, I'm going to go down by 1 inch allowance, and for the neckline I did 3.5 by 3.5 because I'm not going to add the zipper allowance to this, so I want it to have a kind of wide neck to accommodate the head. So that's why I did 3.5 plus 3.5. Then I'm going to connect the shoulder to the neckline and then make a curve to have a round neck, Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not leave today without subscribing. Join the glowing family. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Support my channel, please. Thank you very much. So I decided to give this my back a little curve. It will help to eliminate, especially if you're going to add any zip, it will help to eliminate any curving effect at the zipper side. And that's it for the cutting. Let's go into the sewing. So the first thing I did at the sewing part is to join my shoulder together, then use my fabric bias to turn in the neckline and armhole line. Then I'm going to go ahead to join the two sides together using my exact measurements, and that's all for the body. Then for this triangle, for the down part, I'm going to go ahead to fold in the rough edges for the two. Then after folding it, I'm going to align them together, looking the way I want it to be. You know the style we are working on, and you saw what I did now. I line it together and then sew round. This is just to keep this thing in place, to keep the fabric in place, to enable me to join it to the upper bodice. And this is it after joining. Then I'm going to go ahead to attach the upper bodice to the down one. Just arrange the thing well. Then you can use your spin to secure the two sides, and before sewing it around to join it together. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. We have beautiful styles coming up for all the princesses in our channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to share my videos to family and friends. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.